Right now, there is an important bill being considered in the halls of Congress that will significantly impact our veterans' health and quality of life, delaying VA assistance. If you or your loved one served in the United States Armed Forces, you need to hear this message. Congress is selling your access to VA benefits to lobbyists. Hi, I'm Amick, United States Navy retired veteran. In the heart of our nation's capital, a bill named the GUARD Act threatens to deepen the struggles of our nation's heroes. Today, we stand to voice the concerns of those who've served our country. GUARD's sponsor claim is the government undermining American rights and duties, ironically leading to longer wait times for veterans needing disability payments. If passed, it removes private VA disability benefit consultants, potentially causing more backlogs in claim approvals. Currently, it takes an average of 150 days to get a VA claim approved or denied. Our veterans who've sacrificed so much are left to navigate a maze of red tape, waiting months for what they rightly deserve. As of September 2023, there are 282,220 backlog VA claims, the highest since June 2014. This alarming number signifies a system struggling to support those it's meant to serve. Special interest groups are lobbying for GUARD, seeking to maintain market dominance. This move would strip veterans of their rights to choose who assists them with disability claims, leaving them trapped in a broken system. Veterans deserve to be treated with respect, not as if they're incapable of making informed decisions. GUARD, marketed as a protective measure against claim sharks, in reality limits veterans' choices, failing to distinguish between good and bad actors in the industry. There are ways to truly protect veterans from exploitative practices without casting out beneficial services. GUARD's approach is akin to throwing the baby out with the bathwater, punishing those who would genuinely aid veterans. We call upon lawmakers, veterans, and citizens alike to reconsider the implication of the GUARD Act. It's crucial to develop a solution that upholds the dignity and rights of veterans without exacerbating the challenges they already face. Together, let's ensure our heroes receive the timely, respectful assistance they deserve. Stop the GUARD Act and stand with our veterans.